Hey guys, it's me again. Just thought I'd update you. When I came up here earlier, my granddad had gone to get some slug pellets and all, so hence why he wasn't here. So yeah, as you can probably see, if you're in the shop, we are potato harvesting, and the battery's probably going to die. Anyway, we're potato harvesting, and basically, yeah. Hang on. I'm going to move you guys. There you go. Anyway, we're going to harvest some more potatoes. I'll probably have to change the batteries before I finish, so there. And you put one there. One potato. Two potatoes. Three potatoes. Four potato. Yeah, so these haven't done too badly, but they're not done as near as good as they did last year. But yeah, they'll do for now. They'll do for a crop. So see, this one's got crap all on. Little one. Yep, you're still recording. Let's see potato. You go over that. Oh, not too bad. I'm going to do a tour of the garden in a minute, guys. So, only about 4 plants left. Here's a seed one. And that one goes like so. Like a rabbit. Some funny shaped potatoes on here, boys. Some funny shaped potatoes. I'm getting to the top of my bucket, so I don't know what I'm going to do with these. Whether I'm going to store them up here or I'm going to take them home. granddad's already harvested a load, so still recording. Yep, you're still recording, just move you down a touch. Holy frig, boys, holy frig. Nice big one there, boys. Two more, boys, two more. Tiny ones. Last one, boys, last one. Nice size ones here. And that's all the potatoes we got off this plant. Oh, these two rows, so a nice bucketful. Some nice sizes as well. Some random shapes as well. Anyway guys, I'll catch you in a minute when I'm semi-clean. Hey guys, it's me again. So, the potatoes harvested. I'm going to do this quick because don't have much battery got left. Leeks, they're looking pretty nice, man, so we're going to leave them a bit longer. They've all come up along here. All the leeks. Got some really nice beetroot in here. Really nice size stuff, so pour one. Nice beetroot. Put a couple more, shall we? No, let's do a tour first, then I can pull some carrots. They're not looking too bad. Surprising. I didn't think they'd come to what they've come to, but they're not too bad. yeah, we should get some nice carrots. Nice carrots. The beetroot looking nice. Over there. Leeks looking nice. Apple tree is absolutely cram-packed full of apples. So, yeah. And a lot bad sizes too. Here's a couple I've just picked. These are, I think, Bramley apples. They're pretty nice apples. The cabbages and broccoli, etc. didn't do very well because the caterpillars got at them, but here's a panoramic view of the garden. Not much going on in here or down the bottom, because that's where we used to have the sprouts, but they weren't doing very good, so we just took the cages down. Apple tree, climbers, and the compost bins full of compost. Apple tree, etc. It's a nice blue sky day here in Wales. Rhubarb up in the corner, can't see it through the shadows. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, rate and subscribe, and for more content, because I got lots of this stuff to edit. So thanks for watching, and catch you again. Bye bye.